owns advanced computer numerical control processing center machines and processing equipment for CNC lathes. The company cooperates with R&D in Taiwan and spares no effort in developing the most advanced portable high-pressure water mist foam fire extinguishing equipment. The product model ZGW-PYQ2311 has passed the tests made by National Fire Equipment Quality Supervision and Inspection Center. A Class Solid Fire Extinguisher and B-Class Liquid Fire Extinguisher have reached 20A and 233B. The top grade for portable fire extinguisher and possess the capability to extinguish E-Class fire. Meanwhile, the company has applied 3 patents with the National Intellectual Property Rights Bureau.
Sincere Pioneer Company Limited has passed ISO 2001-9008 Quality Management System Certificate, dedicated to fire safety research for many years. The high-pressure water mist or foam extinguishing apparatus passed CE examination certificate already. 3-in-1 spray gun has passed the patent from China, Taiwan, and 32 countries of European.
Advantages of water mist fire extinguishing. 1. People always thought that a vast expanse of water can extinguish fire. It is an outdated concept. Now, water mist fire extinguishing is the most scientific and advanced fire extinguishing way in the world. Taking smaller water molecule and heavier water mist, it allows least oxygen into the fire site and thus controls the burning gas and prevents fire boosting. 2. Water mist fire extinguishing takes least water to extinguish fire. Flood after fire is avoided and no twice damage happen. It can meet best requirement for water saving, energy conservation, and environmental protection. 3. Besides common water tank, the product has a special tank for fire extinguishing foam. It has high penetration and water mixes automatically with foam during spraying, which bettered the effect, especially to the oil fire. It can put out fire source much faster. Japanese brand Honda is adopted. Electronic startup is supported. Manual startup can be done during emergency. High pressure pump, originally from Taiwan, is used. The flow is 23 kL per minute. Working pressure reaches 11 MPa. Water filter is originally from Taiwan. Pressure gauge is originally from Taiwan. Pressure regulator valve is originally from Taiwan. Oil saver is originally from Taiwan. Imported, the length may reach 30 meters, which can deeply into fire site.
Contains Trinity spray guns. The product is designed and developed by the company and already to China, Taiwan, European application patent.
Two-in-one spray nozzle may spray out straight line water column and water mist, developed by the company and has been applied for patent with the National Intellectual Property Rights Bureau. The thin mist spray nozzle do not harm the body. You can use it securely. Air foam spraying gun nozzle. Foam multiple reaches 11 times. During test in the National Fire Equipment Quality Supervision and Inspection Center, the nozzle is designed and developed by the company and has been applied for patent with the National Intellectual Property Rights Bureau. Stainless steel structure is taken by the water tank. Total capacity is 230 kiloliters, with 2 tanks. One is for water, which can store 200 kL clean water. Another is for fire extinguishing foam, which can contain 30 kL foam. More than 9 minutes continuously spray can be realized in case there is no water supply. Foam and water mix automatically during spraying. Connection between tap water pipe and the tap is supported. The length of the pipe is 30 meters. Fire hydrant is also practicable. In case no tap water and a fire hydrant bucket can be used to feed water. The product has a foam extinguisher switch to facilitate the adjustment of foam and water proportion. In case more foam is required, adjustment can be done via foam volume. This is most suitable for gas station and chemical industry. Hand push is supported, which is flexible and light to use. It can be easily pushed by men or women without much strength. Pull lever is contained. Tractor, three-wheeled vehicle, and automobile can all be hung on the lever to support fire extinguishing in near fire site. It is a remedy when in a narrow lane or where the fire engine cannot reach. The product can be widely used in village committee, town community, industrial park, gas station, chemical industry, electronic industrial and textile industry. To set up such a high-efficient and flexible fire extinguishing equipment can reduce the life and property loss. A-class solid fire. The performance reaches 20A. The top grade for the portables, 561 pieces of squared wood with a length of 127 centimeters, each are required during the test. B-class liquid fire. The performance reaches 233B. The top grade for the portables, round oil tray with diameter of 3 meters and feeding 233 kL gasoline is required during the test. After extinguishing, put away the foam and ignite again. We can see the fire died out not because of burning out of the gasoline, but of water mist and foam which put it out. In contrast experiment for dry powder and water mist fire extinguishing, we can see it is time lasting to use common dry powder equipment, and it's impossible to completely control the fire. While using water mist with foam can extinguish the fire faster and efficiently. Besides, the dry powder may bring much fog and it is more serious if used indoors. Water mist can be sprayed directly at the electric appliance switch without power break and conduction. It is safer than the common dry powder. Put in the chemical workshop flammable to guarantee safety. Put near the warehouse to enhance safety. Put near the fire hydrant to increase safety. Put in the production line to increase safety. Besides the function of fire extinguishing, during starting maintenance, the product can be used to wash floor, water the trees and flowers, and clean the walls. Spraying with disinfectant solution in the water tank, the product can then be used to prevent infectious disease. It is multifunction fire extinguishing equipment. The launch of ZGW-PYQ-2311 portable foam fire extinguishing equipment is widely praised by many industries, according to the different requirements.
With all staff efforts, Sincere Pioneer issues out 3 different models firefighting devices, such as ZGW-PYQ-2311A, ZGW-PYQ-20-7, and ZGW-PYQ-13-5.
ZGW-PYQ-27 is fit for the middle-sized places, while ZGW-PYQ-13-5 is for small-sized places. With nice appearance, they are suitable for restaurant, villa, KTV, and etc. Taking these high-performance fire extinguishing device can make your guests and yourself feel safer, thus create countless value to you. Setting the product in kitchen or places visible can make guests feel relieved and increase the number of guests. In villa, there is fuel fire equipment. Besides the function of extinguishing, the product can also be used to water trees and flowers to make your villa life safer and greener. In KTV, a large number of people in and out. Plenty decoration material are flammable. To set device there can with fire, and the fire control sense is even weaker. They always have lucky mind that the fire will not happen in their factories or families. Taking fire extinguishing devices from Sincere Pioneer can seize the best time to put out fires and avoid larger ones.